Welcome to the showcase of our game for the exposition Music, Machines and Me from Museum Speelklok. The game is an escape game made for a class of children just starting their high school career to learn more about the marvels of mechanical engineering. The class arrives at the museum and will be split into 3 groups for the 3 themes that are in the game. So the game is made up of 3 distinct paths that can be chosen at the start of the game. Each group of these kids does one of the paths and gets a question in the theme of their path. So let's take a look at the path. There are three paths: program, music and machines. So let's look at program for now. We start on the start page with a little introduction to this one path. And then we start with our first question. This first question is a game that is physically in the museum. The team has blocks with which they make a big cube. This cube has a code on the side which needs to be entered into the web app. There are multiple types of these physical exercises that provide a code for in the app. After every big question, there will be a bonus question. These bonus questions are something they can find the answer to if they walk around the exposition. This is so that the group splits up and there's not 3 people doing nothing while 2 people do all the work. An example of a game that is only in the app is the step-by-step game. The children need to program using Blockly. What they need to program is this person walking through the maze and collecting all of the music notes in it. This teaches the children how programming works, which is also just about how programming works with music machines. After a team has finished all exercises and puzzles, they will obtain a code. They will combine this code with the codes of the other 2 paths to finish the game. After entering the correct codes, they will be shown to the results screen, where they'll see their time and score.